Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me. I don't know if this. Hey everyone, once again, I don't know if you can hear me. This is a new laptop that I'm using right now, and today is March 13, and I would like to thank all the people who greeted me for my 64th birthday, guys. Thank you so much. I'm here in Las Vegas celebrating my birthday. At napakaraming bumate. Maraming maraming salamat po. I'm also want to thank no yung team natin, the all the members of Global Income Builder team around the world, and papasalamat po ako sa inyo for your dedication to continue to share our Live Good business, our Live Good products that are helping a lot of people. Bakit ba ganito tong aking So, yeah, I'm just doing this short live, guys, para pasalamatan nga po lahat ng members natin that are continuing to help other people when it comes to their health. You know, when you are in this when you are seniors, you're in this age, no? I think age 50 and above, nakafocus na po tayo sa ating health, right? So I continue to look for products na pwedeng makatulong sa ating health. Ang isang pinagpapasalamat ko, number one, is to God for giving me a healthy body, no issue, no health issue, and also thanking God that I found Live Good, guys. Okay, so I'm taking Live Good for more than 2 years, since January. I think January 9 of 2022. That's where one of my sponsors in San Diego messaged me, and that's Girly, messaged me about the Super Greens, which she knows lagi ko po yung ginagamit. I'm using that for a long time, for 6 years already, and I'm buying from other companies or from the groceries, and it's so expensive. I'm buying that for about $60. The lesser one was I think $39 or $45. Gosh, that is so expensive before. So here in Live Good, I'm getting the super greens for only $18. No, napakalaki pong pagbabago sa inyong health. Actually, wala naman ako talagang health issue. I feel that I have a good body, my immune system, nakakatuwa, napaka saya ko, no? So I'm always thanking God about my health at 64. And I'm also thanking you guys for continue the positive thinking, the positive attitude of doing this business. At sa mga hindi naman nagbi-business, continue using the products of Live Good because malaki po ang benefits natin. Plus, we save a lot. Okay, I'm saving about $300 when I switch to Live Good, guys. So this is for me a great life of finding Live Good, guys. Kahit hindi po sa business aspect, kung hindi kayo naghahanap ng business, but especially these products, we just launched this skincare products. Four po yan, and the set of four, tatlo lang itong dala ko because the other one is only for wrinkles since wala naman po tayong masyadong wrinkles, especially my neck. I don't have any sagging neck because I massage that. Ito po yung maganda. And one pack of this four set is only $49.95. Before, I'm using one product for a moisturizer for $69.95. That's also from one company in Florida, guys. Okay, so we have a toner. We have this one is the skin serum, ageless renewal. It's your vitamin for your skin, and this one is moisturizer, which we call brightener. Brightening moisturizer, guys. Napakaganda. It will brighten your skin. maghapon, okay? And then the toner is also for age spot. So I've been using this for like 7 days already, 7 days because this is newly launched set, the skincare set. I'm not gonna take much of your time. Gusto ko na pong gumala sa baba. I need to go around sa sa baba ng hotel. This is Fontainebleau here in Las Vegas. So, guys, once again, I want to thank all the leaders, no, mga leaders natin around the world. I'm sure magme-message po sila dito sa baba, dito sa aking live. So I'm just doing this short live. And today is Thursday. That means lahat po ay lahat ng avid promoter of Live Good, they get their bonuses dahil we release bonuses every Thursday. So every Thursday, masaya po ang inyong Tita Lola and also our team around the world. Right? Guys, sa mga bago na medyo, this is your first time to hear about Live Good, guys. This is totally different because this is a revolution. Okay, this is, how do you call this? We change the networking industry uh, 360 degrees, kumbaga, no? 360 degrees in like wala po tayong pressure or quota, wala na pong ganon. And the best one is you don't have any account expiration as long as hindi kayo nagba-violate doon sa ating rules, ano? And in this business, pwede kayong mag-market or you can continue other businesses if you have business. They're not so strict on you promoting other products. Kung meron ka naman ng dating existing companies, they're not that strict. You can still continue that, you know. The other week, I think I received another company, and their first rule is not to join any other networking company. But in Live Good, guys, we don't have that restriction. You can continue your other business or your profession uh, with Live Good. Okay, hindi po kayo ma-cancel ang account natin. So this is a lifetime account and no account expiration, guys. Okay? So at napakagaan ng business na to. If you join other networking company, alam ko, fed up na kayo dun sa mga dating you will buy products of what, $300, $600 to $1,000 products, right? So here is not like that. You just join us, check if you like it or not. We have a free tour for you to register free for now. And, you know, if you want to take advantage of the business aspects, then you can upgrade your account to become an affiliate, no? Just sign up as an affiliate. And also, kung gusto mo naman member ka lang, to avail of the discounted products because if you're only a reseller affiliate, you cannot have the discounted products. You're just reselling the products as a shop owner, okay? Shop owner. So if you want to become a member and want to use the products for your own benefit, for your health benefit, you can become a member na rin and upgrade to become one of the members, okay? So, what else? Napakarami pong magagandang aspects ang Live Good. So many beautiful aspects of Live Good business, guys, that you cannot compare to other companies out there. So, once again, we are not just a networking company. We are an affiliate company, affiliate. We are a membership club as well. So if you're familiar with Costco, if you're familiar with uh, so many uh, monthly payment out there, membership club. Your gym is a membership club. Your cell phone is a membership club as well, right? So many out there already. Uh, so with your membership club in other company, you're not benefiting on that. You're not getting any bonuses. You're not getting any commission, but with a Live Good membership club, guys, you will earn weekly. And today is Thursday, so I'm sure everyone gets their bonuses here in Live Good. So If you're looking for a very affordable business that you can do anywhere you are, or let's say, yeah, if you travel like me, and I mean, if you're also staying at home, you can do this from the comfort of your home, guys. Okay. Once again, Tita Lola here in California. Retired na po ako. I'm retired engineer, and I love this business products. Uh, and also I'm doing I still have my LA Web Design Pro business, and I'm helping a lot of Filipinos around the world and other people, with their website, updating website, and doing uh, creating their website for free. Yes, sometimes I offer that free website design for them if they're just a startup, guys. So, uh, why do your own why will you get your own website or to pay for web hosting, guys, when you have LiveGood? LiveGood is better because you have all the products, yung high quality products ready for you. Your website is loaded with high quality products, guys. Diba? So you can start right away instantly if you want to do the Live Good, guys. Napakabilis, napakaganda, lalo na sa mga Pilipino, sa mga retired people out there, mga Filipinos around the world. I'm really calling you guys. This is different, okay? So I hope you will browse my website. Maybe I can put it here, or I think that is on the post. And I hope you can share this. I'm 12 minutes now. Okay, at 12 minutes and 19, I think I'm going to go out now. And I hope to talk to you soon, guys. Okay? Live good is number one. And I want to help other people. Okay? So thank you so much ulit sa mga bumabate. For those greetings, those who message me, thank you so much. Napakarami ninyo, so many of you who message me privately. I thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, from the bottom of my heart, once again, join the Global Income Builder team at main.livegoodpros.com. Or if you want to join me directly, just go straight to Coach lolalifestyle.com. Pinatawagan ko yung mga stay-home mom and the other retired person there out there. All right? So, yan po muna, and I'll be going down, and I will tour you around this Fontainebleau Hotel. It's really nice here, guys. God bless you all. Bye bye.